All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 15. It says, reflect the following figure over the x-axis, then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Give the coordinates of the vertices of the final image. Now, on yours, you'll have to draw in your original shape. They give you the 4 letters to connect for your original shape. I believe you also will reflect over the x, then you'll rotate 90 degrees, and then by the end, you'll connect up 4 letters that will be the final shape. So then you have to just list those 4 letters that you come up with at the end. But essentially what we're going to do is take a figure, reflect it over the x, and then rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So to reflect over the x, I'm just going to take each of my vertices. And as opposed to using a rule, I'm just going to say, okay, I have to go over the x-axis. If this is 1 below the x, then the new will be 1 above the x. So that would be -5, now up 1. If this is 4 below the x-axis, then I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 above the x-axis. And that would be then -1 up 4. And if this is 1, 2, 3, 4 below, again, I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 above. So that would be -5, and 4 above would be a +4. So now I've reflected it over the x-axis. Now I'm going to take this new shape and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So in the direction of a clock. Like there's 12 o'clock, down here's 3 o'clock, you're going in the direction of a clock. So for 90 degrees clockwise, about the origin, I first reverse, arrow, change the sign. So what I'll do is, you'll take your X, Y. First you'll reverse them. Then you draw an arrow going clockwise, and that's what we changed the sign of. So I'm going to go ahead and write each of these vertices after I reflected it over the X. And this is the figure I'm now going to rotate. So we would have -5, 4, -1, 4, and -5, 1. And first we're going to reverse them. Then we'll do our arrow, change the sign. First reverse, just switch the order of them. Arrow, clockwise, change the sign. First reverse the coordinates, just switch places. Clockwise arrow, change the sign. And that gives me my coordinates for the final figure. So that would be 4, 5, 4, 1, and 1, 5. And there you have it. This would be rotating it 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. If I took this point and I went down to the origin and then I popped it up over here, that's absolutely a 90-degree angle. That's 90 degrees clockwise about that origin. All right, I hope that helps.